Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another sneaker review. So for today's video, I believe what we are going to review is the Jordan 1. I don't want to say the name because what if I'm wrong? So I just want to remind everybody, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I have more videos yet to come. Sorry if I seem a little bit low energy, but I have a migraine. But I still want to get this video out for you guys, so let's just get right into the video. Now I want to point out that this pair of Jordans is from a new seller. It's not from the usual like seller I use. I wanted to try out a new seller. And the reason why I went with this one is because this seller was selling a pair of Jordans that I want. Yep, these are the ones. So this was the only seller in Dhgate that I found that had the smoke gray Jordan 1s, which is exactly what we are going to review. Same thing, comes with this and a pair of socks that honestly I think I have a huge collection of socks right now. So here are the shoes and the StockX tags. Now let's take them out and oh, that's cool. Keychain, no clue, and then StockX sticker. So that's pretty much what came in the box. This is not the box that they come in, I believe. Not sure, but all right. So first glance at the shoe. I was expecting more, to be honest. At least it's not a flimsy shoe. But I think it could have been done better. This gray, I'm not sure if this is the gray for the shoe. It looks more like a beige or like a cream color to me. I'm gonna have to search pictures of the original one, but I believe this is the wrong shade. In camera, it actually looks gray, but is not that gray. It's more like a creamy beige of white. I don't even know what color. Boy, I don't know my numbers. I don't know my colors. Sorry, you see my migraine is making me talk nonsense. But yeah, here's the side of the shoe. Take a closer look at it. Pause the video if you like. Here is the back of the shoe. Jordans are so weird how they just, you know, have weird shapes. Here's the other side of the shoe. I believe it does have a stain right here, but I mean, I really don't mind it that much. Here is the front, and here is the toe box. Now this one seems to be those kind of J's are like skinny from here, but yeah, here is the top of the shoe. You know, but yeah, and let me give you a closer look to the Jordan logo right here. Tell me down below in the comments, guys, what do you think about the shoe? Personally, I like the shoe. The material here, I thought it was more like a suede or like a buttery suede kind of thing, but it's not. This material here reminds me a lot of the turbo greens. Now I'm not sure if that's the way it's supposed to be, but hey, nobody's gonna be touching my sneakers when I have them on, right? So, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.